A unionization effort led by Starbucks employees in 3 stores in Buffalo, New York, is now becoming a citywide issue. Kate Rogers is here with the latest on that story and its implications for Starbucks. Kate?
Hey, Kelly. Well, workers at 3 Starbucks stores in Buffalo, New York petitioned for a vote on whether to unionize late last month. Now the company has told the National Labor Relations Board that all 450 of its workers in the city should be allowed to vote, according to a memo that Starbucks sent to its employees that was obtained by CNBC. This would take that vote, Kelly, from 3 stores to 20. The letter to the Buffalo workers also said that the company was taking action to bring store operations back up to its standards, including bringing in help with staffing and repairing store issues more quickly. Ask us anything. We're all here to help you. You have the right to work directly with Starbucks, and if you don't want to give up that right, you should vote no, the letter said. Now, in response to this, Starbucks Workers United said, quote, Starbucks is trying to delay our vote using any legal tactics they can. NLRB precedent is that a single store is an appropriate unit. We are trying to organize even one store and win the right to organize at this company. We've also learned that Starbucks executives Howard Schultz, the company's former CEO, and Rossann Williams, the executive vice president of Starbucks North America, have recently both been conducting store visits to hold listening sessions with employees in Buffalo. Kelly, back over to you.
But Kate, they must be... no, not that any company wants its employees to unionize, but Starbucks so puts them first that I can't imagine they would not ultimately have to support this. Wouldn't it be hypocritical of them not to?
Well, they're saying we're not anti-union, we are pro-partner. That's why executives are here to listen. We want to let them know basically that, if they want to continue to work well with the company, that the open dialogue is between you as partners and us as Starbucks. Come to us. We're here to work with you. So we'll have to see what happens. September 22nd, we should find out who's able to actually participate in that union vote, Kelly.
It's like change from within, no schisms. Okay, understood. But also weighing on the shares today, Kate, is this issue about Yum China. And what did it say in particular about its profit warning, and what's the read through to Starbucks there?
Yeah, so obviously Starbucks China is its second home market, very important there. Yum China did warn that the Delta variant was going to take its Q3 profit down between 50 and 60%. It impacted about 500 of its stores in China there. So that's weighing on Starbucks shares today. You can see they're definitely lower and on pace for about their lowest close should be in about 8 months today. So we'll have to see how the day shakes out. But clearly investors are a little bit concerned about what Delta means for companies that have a huge footprint there in China.
And finally, Kate, have you heard anything from the company itself? Not that I would expect to, but they're in a pretty awkward position as China continues to crack down on a lot of its different industries. Not that Starbucks has anything to do necessarily with running afoul of what China's concerned about, but they're probably one of the biggest U.S. businesses with operations there.
Yeah, about 5,100 stores there for Starbucks in China. They have a really good working relationship with the Chinese government there and continue to expand. So we haven't heard anything from them on that. But clearly investors, as mentioned, a little bit concerned about Yum China's profit warning today, for sure.
Absolutely. Kate, thank you. Kate Rogers on all things Starbucks.